Hi guys, in this video, let's make a round-robin scheduling program using C++. Let's declare a variable. P is for process ID, AT is for arrival time, BT is for burst time, WT is for waiting time, TAT is for turnaround time, CT is for completion time, and BT is for original burst time, used for calculation later. Next is for N. This is number for processes. The last one is quantum. This is the time quantum. Then let's proceed to user input. In this code, the user input how many processes will be scheduled. Then let's proceed to the arrival time. And in this process, the user enter the arrival time for each process. Let's proceed to the input burst time. Okay, in this process, the user entered the burst time for each process. Then the array orig underscore bt is equals to bt to saves the original burst time before it change in execution, and to the array p is equals to I plus 1 is assigned process numbers. Let's proceed into the input the time quantum. Okay, the user enters the time quantum. The time quantum is fixed CPU time per process before switching. Then let's proceed to initialize variable for execution. The total variable is to track the current total execution time. The exe variable is to plug use to check if a process just complete. The remaining is equals to number of unfinished process, and the I is in process index. Let's proceed to the process execution. This loop continues until all process complete. Okay. In this loop, if a process has less than or equal to quantum time left, it completes execution. The total execution time increases by the process remaining burst time. The array bt is equals to 0, which is mark the process as fully executed. Then the array ct is equals to total, which is saves its completion time. In this process, if a process needs more than the time quantum, it runs from for the quantum time and then goes back into the queue. And if a process finish execution, its waiting time is equals to completion time minus arrival time minus original burst time. Then the turnaround time is equals to completion time minus arrival time. Next is process selection for next execution. If all processes have been checked, restart from the first process. If the process has arrived, array AT greater than or equal total, move to it. Otherwise, restart checking from process P1. Then let's print the final result. This display table headers. And this for loop is print the final result for each process. Let's see the output. Okay. The number of process is 4. The arrival time is 0, 1, 2, 3. Then the burst time is 8, 4, 9, and 5. And the time quantum is 3. And this is the complete table of round robin scheduling. That's all. Thank you.